Hi, and welcome to Lesson 4 of WooCommerce Deposits, Payment Plan Setup and Management. In this video, I will show you how to set up and manage payment plans in the WooCommerce Deposits plugin. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on Payment Plans. Payment plans allow customers to split the cost of a product into multiple payments. For example, they can pay 25% up front and the rest later. This is great for high-value products or services. Now, let's create a payment plan. Give your plan a name like 3-month plan. In the plan description, add a description to explain the plan to customers. Now, let's set up the payment schedule. The first row is the initial payment. For example, set it to 25% up front. Now click on the plus button to add more rows. In the second row, add a 25% installment and give it a 1-month duration. In the third row, add 50% and give it a duration of 2 months. This creates a 3-month payment plan. Now, click on Save Payment Plan to create the plan. We have successfully created a 3-month plan. Click on All Products. Now select a product and click on the Edit button. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on the Deposits tab. Now go to Deposit Type and select Payment Plan. Now, in Payment Plan, select the payment plan you just created. Once the details are added, scroll up and click on the Update button. We have successfully added a payment plan to a product. Now to edit or delete a payment plan, go to Products and click on Payment Plans. Now go to Existing Payment Plans and hover over the plan you want to change. You can click on Edit to update the schedule or details. Click on the Delete button to remove the plan, and that's it. In this video, you have learned how to create, assign, and manage payment plans. This makes it easier for customers to pay in installments. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.